When you want great performance and the latest tech and a spacious modern interior and show-stopping style, it really is hard to beat the two cars we have here. The 2024 Sonata N-Line and the 2024 Sonata Hybrid Limited. Both have been refreshed for the 2024 model year with incredible styling inside and out and all the features and tech you've been asking for. I'm Jesse, your product specialist and host, and I'm going to tell you everything you want to know about both these models on this special double feature edition of Hyundai Showroom Walkaround. Let's start with Sonata's refreshed exterior, which is equally as striking on both the gas and hybrid models. On the Sonata Hybrid, you have a new futuristic front end, which transforms it from being not just good-looking, but great-looking. There's a next-gen signature seamless horizon LED lamp, parametric pattern front grille, and standard dual LED projector headlamps, combining for a more integrated and futuristic look. You also have a more aerodynamic design with a 0.24 drag coefficient, helping to improve both fuel efficiency and highway speed driving stability. Moving to the side, you see the sleek silhouette of a sports sedan, as well as blade-styled 17-inch alloy wheels, lower black side skirts, and satin chrome trim window surrounds, all adding to its sporty appearance. Moving to the rear, a horizontal slimline LED taillight that spans the entire width and is positioned higher than on the 2023 model for better visibility. You also have a new sleek and modern font for your Sonata lettering, and of course, no Sonata Hybrid is complete without its hybrid badge. Now, if you like the sporty design on our Sonata Hybrid Limited, then you're going to love the even sportier design on our Sonata N-Line. Starting in back, you see a rear spoiler, rear aero diffuser, and quad exhaust outlets, all giving N-Line a more aggressive appearance. N-Line's profile is also extra sporty with race-inspired twin 5-spoke 19-inch alloy wheels, a semi-gloss lower side skirt that gives it a wider and more aggressive look, black gloss side mirrors and window surrounds, and fender-mounted turn signals with N-Line emblem. And up front, a unique N-front fascia with a more aggressive grille design, and of course, that signature N-Line badge. So as you can see, both Sonata N-Line and Sonata Hybrid Limited have a more refined, sportier look with similar enhanced styling overall. But N-Line adds in a few additional touches that take its sportiness up a notch or two. Now, both Sonata and Sonata Hybrid are available in a range of trims. Like the Sonata SEL, our gas-powered base trim with lots of great standard amenities, like a 12.3-inch touchscreen display plus extensive safety features. There's also the Sonata Hybrid SEL, a balanced hybrid trim that adds some must-have tech like Hyundai Digital Key and wireless device charging. Sonata N-Line is the gas-powered model I've been talking about today. It's our sporty trim with high-performance features that take its driving dynamics to the next level. And the Hybrid Limited, which is the other Sonata we have here. It's our premium hybrid trim with plenty of high-end features. Now let's take a look at the restyled interior, which has been dramatically enhanced for 2024. The first thing you're going to notice when you sit inside is how roomy it is, with plenty of front legroom and headroom. On the N-Line trim, you'll see a unique leather-wrapped N-Sport steering wheel, unique N-Sport front seats with microfiber inserts, and contrast red accents and stitching throughout. You're also going to get some great creature comforts, like heated front seats, full-touch dual auto-zone climate control with these sleek and stylish air vents. And without the need for a traditional gear shifter, there's going to be extra space in between the front seats, because a new column-mounted shift-by-wire has freed up area in between, and a large capacity tray has added storage space in front. Now, over on our Sonata Hybrid Limited, you're going to get a similar stylish interior, but in addition, some great features like leather seating with power seat adjustments and driver's seat memory, heated and ventilated seats up front, and a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. And on both N-Line and Hybrid Limited models, you're going to get this amazing panoramic sunroof with power tilt and slide and a wider design to let in more air and light. And when it comes to technology, Sonata is dressed to impress with some remarkable tech features. You're going to have a 12.3-inch center touchscreen with available panoramic curved display and available navigation, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, and a 12-speaker Bose premium audio system. And with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay now coming standard, you're going to stay connected to your maps, your music, your entertainment, all wirelessly on the go. You're also going to have our BlueLink connected car system, which allows you to remotely access your Sonata from a compatible smartphone and do things like lock and unlock your door, remote climate control, find out where you last parked, and more, all at no additional cost. But the great technology features don't end there. You're also getting over-the-air software updates. You're going to be getting our wireless device charging. You're going to be getting ambient mood lighting with a floating theme. Available Hyundai Pay, where you can automatically pay for parking spaces at select locations using a stored credit card. And new modern USB-C ports, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear to keep all of your devices charged up. And with the available Hyundai Digital Key 2 Touch, you can unlock your door and start your motor all from your smartphone. No key fob required. Now, this works with compatible iPhones and compatible Apple Watches, as well as with compatible Android devices. You can even share a copy of your digital key to another driver's compatible smartphone. And if you're looking for some truly impressive tech, then look no further than the available remote smart parking assist. With one push of a button on your smart key with the engine on, your Sonata can drive itself forwards and backwards, in and out of a parking space. You don't even need to be inside the car, and this comes standard on your Hybrid Limited. Now, both of these models are also designed for great performance, so let's talk specs. Sonata N-Line has a 2.5-liter SmartStream Turbo GDI 4-cylinder engine that produces 290 horsepower along with 311 torque, which is still our most powerful Sonata engine ever. It has an 8-speed wet dual-clutch transmission with paddle shifters, along with some impressive performance tech borrowed from our high-performance N vehicles. This includes launch control, which holds the engine at 2,000 RPMs for consistent launches, as well as rev matching, which ensures smooth and fast downshifts. Your gas-powered Sonata SEL is going to have a 191 horsepower naturally aspirated engine mated with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It comes standard in front-wheel drive with H-Track all-wheel drive also available. And for your Sonata Hybrid, an advanced hybrid powertrain with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and a 39-kilowatt electric motor combining for 192 horsepower output. Now, when it comes to safety, Sonata has you covered with a suite of standard and advanced SmartSense safety features. These include forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot collision warning, lane keeping assist, lane following assist, surround view monitor, and blind spot view monitor, just to name a few. And there's so much more that comes with owning a Hyundai, like America's best warranty. That's a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, a 5-year, 60,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty, and for our Sonata Hybrid, a 10-year, 100,000 hybrid battery limited warranty. You're also going to be getting Hyundai complimentary maintenance free for the first 3 years or 36,000 miles. And since Hyundai cares so much about making the highest quality vehicles out there for you, we produce our own advanced high-strength steel, which makes Sonata very light and very strong. So there it is, the 2024 Sonata. With its ultra-modern styling, gorgeous tech-oriented interior, plenty of impressive safety features, and your choice of gas or hybrid powertrains, this refreshed sedan is truly remarkable in just about every way.